Hello everyone, welcome to my video. It's me, Simon Asrin Shapla, student of Economics, Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet, Bangladesh. Today, I will be exploring research strategy of inquiry. I hope this video helps clarify and inform your understanding. Let's get started. Research strategy of inquiry. First, we have to know what is research strategy. Research strategy refers to a planned approach to conducting research, outlining methods for data collection, analysis, and interpretation. It includes the research design, sampling techniques, data gathering methods, and analysis tools, all aimed at answering the research question systematically and effectively. The discussion of research strategies, three approaches arises: quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method approaches. Here, the overview of research strategies. Quantitative uses numeric data and statistical analysis. Qualitative focuses on understanding human experiences. Mixed methods integrates both qualitative and quantitative approaches. Here is a figure. In this picture, we see that still now there is a debate which method is best. For clear concept, we have to know this method deeply. Now we will know about quantitative approaches. Quantitative strategy of inquiry. Quantitative strategy refers to a method of making decision or solving problem using mathematical model and statistical analysis. This strategy involves the use of data numerical methods. For example, you choose a research topic like the effect of minimum wage increases on small business employment. For this research topic, you need quantitative analysis. In quantitative analysis, we should focus on two strategies of inquiry. One is survey research. Data is collected through questionnaire or structured interviews from a sample of the population. There are some types of survey research. One is cross-sectional studies, another one is longitudinal studies, and the last one is applications. Another strategy of inquiry is experimental research. In this section, participants are divided into two groups. One experimental group which receive the treatment and other one is control group which does not. There are some types of experimental research: true experiments, quasi experiments, single subject design, complex design. Complex design are three types: factorial design, repeated measures design, structural equation modeling. Now we talk about qualitative strategy of inquiry. A qualitative strategy refers to an approach used in research, business, or other fields that focuses on understanding and interpreting non-numerical data. Here I use some keywords for better understanding. The first one is ethnography. Ethnography studies cultural groups in natural setting. For better understanding, I give an example of ethnography. For example, you are going to shopping market by bus. When you are sitting in the bus, you observing everything about the bus driver, how he interact with his passenger, his struggle and his income. Without questioning anything, you gather your information. The next one is grounded theory. Grounded theory develops theories from collected data. For example, You interviews with 20 teenagers about their social media use and mental health. After the interview, you develop a theory that frequent social media use leads to negative mental health outcomes in teenagers. And the next one is case studies, in-depth exploration of specific cases. For example, had teacher apply new teaching method in school? Outcome is that increased student engagement and better grades. Another one is phenomenology. Phenomenology examines lived experiences of participants. Here is an example of phenomenology. The topic is that experiences of elderly living alone. Data collection, interviews with 10 elderly individuals living alone, focusing on their feelings of loneliness and independence. Finding is that common themes include isolation, desire for social connection, and valuing independence despite challenges. And the last one is narrative research. Narrative research analyzes life stories and personal narratives. Here is an example of narrative research. A topic, a research experience overcoming classroom challenges. Data collection, the teacher's personal story through an interview. Finding is that the teacher reflects on overcoming discipline issues shaping their teaching style. This focus on understanding experiences through personal storytelling. I hope you all understand these key topics. Here is some general observation. You will understand it easily by reading. Now we all know about mixed method strategies. A mixed method strategy combines both quantitative and qualitative research approaches to gather a more comprehensive understanding of a research problem. There are some types of mixed method strategies: sequential mixed methods, concurrent mixed method, transformative mixed method. Sequential mixed method: one method is used first to explore or gather insight, followed by the other method to expand or on confirm the findings. Here is an example of sequential mixed method. The topic is that effectiveness of a new study technique on student performance. For this topic, you may go through two phases. One quantitative phase, another one is qualitative phase. In quantitative phase, first a survey is conducted with 100 students to assess their performance before and after using the new study technique. Qualitative phase: afterward, 10 students are interviewed to explore their personal experiences with the technique. Finding is that the survey shows a performance improvement and interviews provide insight into how students felt about technique's impact. Concurrent mixed methods: both qualitative and quantitative data are collected at the same time, then integrate during analysis to provide a comprehensive understanding of the research problem. Here is an example of concurrent mixed method. The topic is that social media and teen mental health. For this topic, you also need two phases: quantitative phase and qualitative phase. Quantitative phase: survey of 20 teens on social media use and anxiety. Qualitative phase: interviews with 15 teens about their social media experiences. Finding is that survey shows a link between higher use and anxiety. Interviews reveal mixed emotional effect. Both data types are collected simultaneously for a comprehensive analysis. And the last one is transformative mixed method. A theoretical perspective guides the study, combining both qualitative and quantitative data to address research questions with an emphasis on social change or advocacy for marginalized group. Here is an example of transformative mixed method. The topic is that effect of gender inclusive policies. One, workplace equality. Qualitative phase: interviews with employees to understand their experiences with gender inclusive policies. Quantitative phase: a survey of 150 employees measuring perception of workplace equality before and after the policy implementation. Finding is that interviews highlight positive cultural shift, while surveys show an increase in preserved equality after policy changes. This approach aims for social change, focusing on improving gender equality in workplace using both qualitative and quantitative data. You see here is an historical note. The mixed method concept first began 1959. Now we can go the conclusion. Research method. How mixed method arises from qualitative and quantitative approaches. This table actually show that. Research method refer to how data is collected, analyzed, and interpreted. They can range from predetermined method to emergent one, and from closed-ended to open-ended questions. Now we can go the final answer. Which method is best for our research topic? Choosing the best approach. If you need measurable and generable result, go with quantitative. If you need deep contextual insight, use qualitative. If you both if you want both broad trends and detailed explanation, choose mixed method. But there are some limitations of mixed method. Mixed method needs more time and more data. You can also choose the best approach by some objectives. Here is an objective aligned with research objective and question. Consider philosophical worldview, evaluate practical constraint, match methods to research design, access audience expectation, pilot testing, and flexibility. I hope you all understand which method will be effective for your research topic. For your research topic. Thanks for watching. If the video Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends.